back to my channel. So we've created our profile and we'll have 100% profile completeness and 50 available connects. We want to answer Upwork Readiness test, so we will get about at least 90 connects. Okay, so now to do that, you go to this read up Upwork payment protection, and then you go to help. Brings out different kinds of things you need to read and know about Upwork. But right now we want to answer the Upwork readiness test. So you go to get started, and then you just click on Upwork readiness test. It tells you things about the test. Now to take the test, you click here and then start test. So this test takes 10 minutes to complete. This test involves 10 questions and takes about 2 minutes to answer one. So let's start the test. So I've already taken the I already know the answers to the Upwork readiness test, and I want to advise that you take your time to read them so you understand these things here. It gives you an in-depth knowledge of how Upwork works and how to avoid scam. But for the purpose of filling your account quickly, I'm just going to tell us the answers, and you check them when you are filling yours and fill those answers. This is about job success score. So the answer to this is yes. 3 of them goes. The answer to this payment method is this. They might not come with the same order when you are answering your own. That's why you need to read it and know what I click as answers to know what to answer when you be answering your own. Okay. The answer to this is about contracts. This is about proposal. They're trying to teach you how to land good proposals. This is about response time. It also tends towards job success score. This is what leads to profile completeness, the things you need to do to get 100% profile completeness. So you can click as many options as possible that aligns to the question you are answering. So you need to read this for your safety, to give you a perfect understanding on how Upwork works and what you need to know to pass them. Correct. So we scored 5/5. So those are just the correct answers, but I would like to advise you take your time to read through them so you understand what they are asking of you, and then you perform better on the platform. But then these are the answers to the questions generally. Okay, so guys, you can see that my connect have increased to 90 after answering the Upwork readiness test. I applied for a job that took 6 connects. That's why I have 84 remaining. So when you take the test, it will add more to your connects. Okay, so see you guys when next we'll see. Thank you. Bye.